Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here's an update on the battery. We found the block which was bad. That was the one right here in the penthouse. We diagnosed the rest of them and they're looking really good and sharp. So now, customer brought us a brand new module. Well, brand new, that's kind of what I thought, but no, it's from a used module, from a used car, but it's working very well. So now we're gonna charge it, test it, put it back together, and you will see. In the meantime, we have something nice coming up. We have a customer in Seattle who bought the car in auto auction and brought it to us so we can actually fix all of the electrical problems. Take a look what we have. It's right there. It looks pretty bad from this side of view, but let's actually see what's broken on this car, right? We have a problem with the hood. It needs to be replaced. Right headlight, fender, radiator support, bumper, but the radiator itself is good, which is kind of nice. It was kind of, top lift accident, I would say. Now, part of the reason why I think this car has been totaled, look at that. Look what we have. Every airbag on that car has been deployed except the seat airbags. So now I think it's part of a reason why it's been totaled, but we don't see any major frame damage on it. So right now we have to make it run again. We're gonna replace the pyro fuse, move it around, test it, give it a wash, start working on it.
What do you want to do? Simple.
Wow, look at that dirt. So taking this bumper is pretty easy task. Half of it already gone, tabs are broken, so now we're gonna take it out. We found one more problem. The coolant is actually leaking. So we need to fix that first. We're gonna start it.
Let me look. Where is it?
Sometimes there's a heating damage and there's nothing what you can do about it. Just deal with it. Guys, I think we can fix that. Just use a little bit of Bando, paint. It's gotta be like new. Look, it's almost fixed. Wow.
This piece too.
Oh, yeah. But the radar is good, so the radar is not broken, so which is really good. Waking up. I mean, literally, if you guys look at it now, there's not a lot of damage. It's a lot of plastic, a lot of aluminum, but the major components are not damaged over here. That was the biggest concern. We want to make sure it's good here. Oh, I think we're getting leak. Oh no! We need to get something here. right now we're gonna make a quick fix. No, I'm joking, it's not a quick fix. We're gonna make a temporary radiator. Basically, we're gonna put a bypass and add more cooling so this cooling system can circulate. Yeah, look at that. There's a few damages, like here, and on the other side, it's actually fully broken. We're gonna get a new one. Almost fixed. Nice better. Yeah. So now we're gonna cut all the airbags out. I mean, they've been deployed. There's nothing what we can do with them, and get it started. Since there's no cooling in the car, we need to get the cooling, so we came to Autoports to get it. We got the coolant. Now we can go back, put it out, drive the car. Alright, we got the coolant in the car now. Let's see if it's drivable. Drives like brand new car. Literally everything is working. I'm excited. Mission almost accomplished. We need to get more parts, get it drivable.